Welcome to this clear and concise tutorial on how to hide tags in a WordPress post. In this walkthrough, you will learn how to remove the tags that appear on your post by using the WordPress interface. This guide is designed to be simple and easy to follow, helping you quickly achieve a cleaner post display. Begin your journey by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the WordPress website. On the homepage, you will notice that the platform is designed for ease of access and a user-friendly experience. As you look at the top right corner of the page, you will find the login option. Clicking on this login feature will allow you to start the process of managing your content on the website. After clicking on the login option, you will see a prompt offering you the opportunity to continue with your Google account. This method leverages your existing Google credentials, which simplifies the login process by eliminating the need for a separate username and password. Choose the account you wish to use and let the platform authenticate you through Google. Following this, you will have access to the WordPress dashboard, a comprehensive area where all your posts and settings are displayed. Once you have successfully logged in, direct your attention to the section where your posts are listed on the dashboard. In this area, all posts that have been created or saved are visible, and it is here that you will choose the post you wish to modify. To continue, click on the option that allows you to edit the particular post. This action opens the post editor, where you can adjust the various components of your content. After entering the post editor, it is helpful to scroll down toward the lower part of the screen. On the right hand side, you will find the settings panel that includes several options related to the post's metadata. It is within this panel that the tags assigned to the post are located. Tags in WordPress serve to organize the content, but if you prefer a cleaner look without them, you will need to remove these tags. Carefully observe the section labeled for tags. Within this area, you can see all the tags that have been applied to the post. The next step is to remove these tags by erasing all the existing entries in the field. This deliberate action is crucial in ensuring that the removed tags do not appear when the post is published, thus offering a simpler presentation of your post. Once the tags have been cleared, confirm your changes by saving the post. Look for the save option in the interface and click it to update your changes. By saving, you ensure that the post is modified permanently and that the tags no longer appear on your website's front end. It is always advisable to double check your post after saving the changes to ensure everything has updated correctly. This tutorial walks you through a straightforward process, starting from navigating to the WordPress website and logging in with your Google account, moving to accessing your post through the dashboard, selecting a post to edit, and finally clearing the tags and saving your work. Every step has been laid out for simplicity and effectiveness. Enjoy the improved appearance of your website, knowing that with these steps you have successfully achieved a cleaner layout by hiding the tags from your posts.